You may be surprised to learn that, like people, our pets can develop chronic health conditions such as diabetes. Having diabetes means that a pet's body is unable to use glucose, sugar appropriately. This leads to high levels of sugar in the blood, which can cause many health problems. Watch out for these 4 warning signs of diabetes. 1. Taking more bathroom breaks. Is your kitty or pooch urinating more often or profusely? Is he accidentally peeing before making it to the litter box or going outside for a walk? Increased urination is one of the common clinical signs of diabetes mellitus in dogs and cats. As blood sugar rises, it ultimately reaches a threshold above which the sugar begins to spill over into the urine. When this happens, the body undergoes a process called osmotic diuresis, causing copious and more frequent urination. 2. Drinking more often from the water bowl. Have you noticed that your pet's water drinking patterns have changed? Animals with diabetes produce large volumes of urine more frequently, so they drink more water to compensate the fluid loss through urination. 3. Eating more and losing weight. Increased appetite and unexplained weight loss are common signs of diabetes in pets as well as humans. Feeling of fullness, satisfied is influenced by a part of the hypothalamus of the brain called the satisfied center. The more sugar enters the satisfied center, the less the feeling of hunger. But with diabetes, the hormone insulin is not available or working properly to allow sugar to enter the satisfied center and be utilized by the body's cells for fuel, resulting in unsatisfied feeling of hunger and weight loss. 4. Exhibiting less energy or activity. If your pet is lethargic and has undiagnosed diabetes, she could have a potentially life-threatening condition called diabetic ketoacidosis. It develops when the body uses fat instead of sugar for energy, causing the production and buildup of toxic acids in the blood called ketones. If you spot these signs and symptoms of diabetes, the earlier you take your pet to a vet for diabetes screening, the better. Dogs are more likely to develop type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is also known as insulin deficiency because the body is not able to produce insulin. Animals with type 1 diabetes need to be given insulin so that their body can use glucose. Unfortunately, once your pet develops type 1 diabetes, it is not reversible. Dogs require lifelong treatment with insulin, need a special diet, and benefit from regular exercise. Cats are more likely to develop type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is known as insulin-resistant diabetes. Sometimes type 2 diabetes can be reversed through weight loss and improvement in diet and exercise.